Hello everyone, hope you all are doing fine. I am Rafia Sultana from the University of Science and Technology Meghalaya and I am a student of physiotherapy. Today this video is specifically for those students who have just passed their higher secondary or those students who are thinking to pursue a career which is related to medical field. So today we are going to talk about the course Physiotherapy. It is generally known as BPT, Bachelor's in Physiotherapy, and the duration of this course is 4.5 years, which includes 6 months of internship. Now the question is, why should you choose this course as a dream career for yourself? So in physiotherapy, we treat people not by prescribing medicines to them, but by prescribing exercises to them. And here we treat people by the help of electrotherapy. In physiotherapy, you get to treat people. And the second point is, after pursuing this 4.5-year course, you get doctor as a prefix and PT as a suffix in your name. Physiotherapy is a career which is growing rapidly in India. Not only in India, but in developing countries or in developed countries, it is growing rapidly. The demand is really high and the jobs are very much available nowadays. So I have already given you all the details about this course. Now the question is, where should you pursue this course? So my classmate will now give you information about that. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Roshni Saw from the Department of Physiotherapy, USTM. As my friend told you about the course Physiotherapy, now I'd like to tell you about why we chose USTM. USTM, University of Science and Technology Meghalaya, a university with excellence in education, infrastructure, well-qualified teachers, well-equipped laboratories, and a beautiful green campus. This university, the faculty mainly focuses on the base, and for physiotherapy, the base is anatomy, physiology, electrotherapy, and exercise therapy. And for this, USTM has the best laboratories and the well-qualified teachers, which is all required for the course. This is the most important part, and our faculties help us in every way possible. So take the best decision of your career and join USTM.
Hello everyone, my name is Triporna Bordoloi, a student of USTM of the Department of Physiotherapy, 4th SEM. Today I am doing this video in order to share my experience with you all. Firstly, I would like to say that our department has the best teachers, mentioning our HOD ma'am, Dr. Pooja Chaudhary ma'am, and all the other faculty members who put their maximum efforts in order to teach us and so that we acquire the skills we need as physios. After that, I'd like to say that they don't only provide us with intellectual skills, but also the communication skills, the leadership skills, and also the personality development skills. There are yearly competitions held in the department itself and in the whole USTM, which helps us to gain knowledge as well as leadership and communication skills. Lastly, I would like to say that they don't only provide us with intellectual skills but also recreational facilities. And last year, we 3 batches went to a picnic along with our teachers and we enjoyed there a lot, and request you all to join our department. Thank you.